Hey, I'm Mark from Southern Blue. We're going to test the water in the swimming pool. We used a little customer test kit. We're going to test free chlorine, we're going to test pH, and we're going to test alkalinity. We're going to take our vial, put it below the surface. We don't want surface water. And then shake it out to the line on the vial and add drops. We add 5 drops of number 1 and then 5 drops of number 2. Cover the top and invert. We have a color range on the test kit and we compare the colors. So our chlorine is right at 5, maybe a little above 5. So we should be between 1 and 3. We're gonna reduce our chlorinator by 10% to bring the chlorine down and test again next week. We're gonna test our pH. Your test kit will come with instructions. You're just gonna read your instructions to see how to do each thing. We're gonna use the right compartment for pH, and we're going to use R0014. Go below the surface, fill up our vial, shake it out to the line, and add 5 drops of R0014. Invert and compare the color. You have a color chart on the vial and you compare your color. So it looks like we're at the pH ceiling around 8. So the pool needs some acid to bring the pH down. You have to figure out how much water's in your pool to decide how much acid your pool needs. We use the Orinda LSI calculator to determine how much acid to put in the pool. The last test we're going to do is alkalinity. We're going to use a small vial in this test kit and fill it to the 25 milliliter line. So it's basically half full in this vial. Cover the top, below the surface, 25 milliliters of water. I'm going to start with R007, R008, and then R009. We use 2 drops of R007, 5 drops of the R008, then swirl it. We're going to get green. So this test is a little different. We're going to put drops of R009 and count the drops until it turns pink while we swirl it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 drops, multiply by 10, so our alkalinity is 90. 90 is not bad. We generally bring it down around 70. So we would add a little acid to bring the alkalinity down to 70. Also, we'd use the Orinda app to determine how much acid to put in to adjust the alkalinity. pH rises naturally as the carbon dioxide comes out of the water, just like it comes out of a soda. When you open the top, it bubbles. It comes out of your pool as well, and the pH rises when the carbon dioxide comes out. Alkalinity is measuring the amount of alkali that is in your water. So adding acid will convert the alkali. That's Mark with Southern Blue. Thank y'all.